My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today is one of my favorite boxes. And yes, y'all know that means it's time to unbox the Curlbox. I love this box so very much. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the Curlbox, I'm going to leave all the information down below. I'll give you the website so you can go down and check it. Now, this box is a subscription service, but it's a first come, first serve basis. So you gotta get on there as quick as they announce the openings for the month, okay? Now, there is a non-subscription version as well, okay? But that one does cost a little bit more. This one is a locked in price, which is $25, and that does include your shipping. So if you need any more information or you want to check it out, right down below. Okay, so this box is so full, even taped up, it's like leaning on one side. But anyway, now each month when we get our description card, there's always a beautiful model on the subscription card. And this month the title is Bring the Heat. Bring the heat, okay? And on the inside of this card, it gives you the, it gives you the information about the products that are inside. OMG. I am so excited right now. But anyway, let me not jump the gun. Hey, Curlfriend card. That's what this one is, and it tells you to show off your style, you know, go on to their Instagram page or whatever so that you can showcase your look using your Curlbox. Okay, now this month it's by Dr. Miracles, and it says, if your hair is in need of some serious miracle work, we're offering it up this month with 5 products from Dr. Miracles, infused with healing herbs, reparative butters, and antioxidants. These styling essentials will help you retain length with routine use. Okay, so it says there's damage control, soothe your scalp, nourish, and style. Yes. And the first product that we have is Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Aloe Vera and Honey Non-Stripping Detox Shampoo. That's a mouthful. But it says, cleanse and treat, removes up to 95% of styling buildup, leaves hair feeling hydrated and clean without feeling stripped. And this is infused with aloe vera, honey, and coconut water. And this is a 12-ounce size. Okay, now as usual, I will go online and I will get the manufacturer suggested retail prices for these products if you were to purchase them individually on your own, and I will list them below and give you a grand total in the end. Now, Dr. Miracle's A Strong and Healthy Collection maintains and protects, the perfect balance of hydration, nourishment, and strength for your hair. And you know, it does have a medicinal smell, but it has some other things with it that makes this smell really nice. Oh, I am excited about this one. Okay, and then the next item we have is the Strong and Healthy Rice Protein and Babassu Oil Hydrating and Strengthening Deep Conditioner. Okay, this is what that looks like, and this is also a 12-ounce size. And this one says it hydrates and strengthens for 3 times less breakage, provides intense reparative moisture to dehydrated hair. Wow. Oh, I am so excited to try this. Yeah, it's got that same smell. Okay, this is the texture. All right, pay me no mind, y'all, but I'm not wasting any product. Okay. Ooh, look at that shine. All righty. Okay. That one is item number 2. Then it gives us, oh, come to the meeting. I guess it's time for me to do a twist out on my hair. This one is the Strong and Healthy Biotin and Aloe Vera Nourishing and Styling Gel. Okay. And this one says, infused with biotin, aloe vera, and olive oil, provides curl definition and hold while moisturizing to protect against breakage for length retention. Woohoo! Yes. Okay. I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next item we have is the Strong and Healthy Shea Butter and Rosemary Length Retention Leave-In Cream. Okay, and this one says infused with shea butter, rosemary, and grapeseed oil, provides soft, smooth strands to help protect against frizz and hair damage. Oh my gosh. And this as well, 12-ounce size, okay? Now I do want you to know that all of these products, let me just check it all before I say yes. Okay, none of these products have those bad things in it. You know, like there's no sulfates, there's no mineral oil, no petroleum. Okay, so that's that one. And then it's one more. This one is the Black Castor Oil and Tea Tree Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. And this one says 2 times more moisture protection to prevent dry hair and scalp. All right, and it says it restores shine and moisture to dry hair and scalp. Oh, okay. This one is sealed. The top on this one is sealed, but it's oil all around the top of it. I am so excited to try this one. Now this one says it can be used wet or dry. So that's exciting to know as well. So you don't have to wait until wash day before you're actually using it. So in the little pamphlet, there's some information here that's pretty interesting. It says buildup on your scalp can inhibit healthy circulation and suffocate your strands, causing dryness and damage. Okay, good reason to use this product right here. Okay. So after you remove the buildup, they say move on to a strengthening mask, which would be the hydrating and strengthening deep conditioner. Then soothe your scalp. Much of your length retention depends on ensuring your ends are free from breakage. The length retention will be good for that. And then it says go on and do your thing and nourish and style. Your styler should be just as nutrient rich as your moisturizer. Let me tell you something, that's some good information right there, okay? So these are the items that are included in this month's Curlbox. That includes all 5 products from Dr. Miracles, and of course, down below is the manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of the products that were included, okay? Now, I do want to remind you about the giveaway that's going on. You only have 2 more weeks to hear me talk about it, okay? Now, I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we open up our August 2020 Curlbox. I hope I shared some information with you that you did not know before, and you're actually happy to get it, okay? Now, make sure you leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you are going to try Dr. Miracles, or even if you're considering checking out Curlbox, okay? Now, share the video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you really feel, okay? And after that, make sure you remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.